Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about a Kernel USDT trading pair with my customer Garcer after listing the zone of interest. Let's dive in. Guys, for tokens after listing, I use indentation accumulation pump model. For Kernel, I will use the BitGet. On the BitGet, it's the lowest point listing price 0.205. On other exchanges, it's around 10 cents. For me, it's always mystery why all exchanges list the same day but with totally different listing price. It's okay when they're top different, right, because of liquidity, but why they can't list just in one the same listing price, the lowest point? Why? I have no idea. So we use the indentation accumulation pump model. Highly recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with that model. Once again, absolutely the same problem like with other tokens, FDV and market cap. Imagine after listing, now we got a 52 million market capitalization, and the 322 million FDV. It's kind of weird. Only 16% tokens in circulation supply. It's also weird. We got a vesting schedule, we got unlocks, we can track the fundraising rounds, undisclosed round. It's we can't see the price, it's investor like Uzi Labs, previously Binance Labs, November 2024, and only now they listed. So it's kind of interesting why after the half year they invested, and we can't know that at what the price they got the tokens of this project. So anyway, the zone of distribution, guys, we work only with the possibilities. We work with zone of interest. So if some token not drop to our zone of interest, we just skip this token. We can't buy every single token. So guys, this is a zone of fixation profit. I never recommend you to hop into token after listing, no matter what happened with this token. But guys, we saw a lot of examples with something like this one on the chart. So better, guys, skip the token, but not stuck in this token for the next half year or the year. I also did the same mistake, but sometimes it's happened. And some tokens can even invalidate the idea. Invalidation of this idea, indentation accumulation pump model, if the token dump under listing price. So on the BitGet, it's 0.205. So this is a zone of fixation, swing trades. This is going to be the zone of interest to buy the token. This one. This is going to be the zone of interest, the best zone to buy. So with all these two zones, we can work like with accumulation block. The potential scenario can be something like this one and bounce. Here's where you need to fix a profit. Second case scenario, it can be something like this one, for example, and bounce. Invalidation, and no makes sense, guys, to use DCA strategy at 32 cents. And wait lower targets. You just waste the stable coins. So I recommend you start use DCA if you believe in this project, right? Only at the first zone of interest. I remind you, if the token not drop to one of these zone of interest, you just skip the token. Also, when we touch this zone, you invest. If you decide to invest, you invest some amount of money what you can invest, and you build a plan. So at this point, for example, I got like 1K. At this point, I'm ready to invest in Kernel project, let's say $200. Next zone, I'm ready to invest $200. Next zone, I don't know, $100, $100. If we drop, I will do nothing, right? And so, for example, you spend like 600. After the strategy, after 100%, you withdraw initial deposit, one tick. After 100%, you withdraw initial deposit right here. You withdraw initial deposit here. You fix the profit, some profit at this block. When, guys, nobody knows. I explained you just the strategy. So with a strategy, with a plan, trading and investing, it's not so complicated because you mark the zone, you totally understand what are you doing, right? If price go here, I do this. If price go here, I do that. So it's pretty simple, guys. Don't need to build a so complicated strategies based on emotional, because now you can see a lot of people will start talking about we're going to the moon, we're going to $1, $2, $5. Guys, you open the chart of OM and take a look. Imagine how many people lost, not lose, lost the money just in one single 15-minute time frame candles. So better works with money management, with risk management, and with zone of interest. Got it. Take a look, guys, with my customer cassette locally, just a local on 4 hour time frame. What's going on with this token? So here, this is AFRIA. Definitely, this is AFRIA after listen. AFRIA, we just in the middle, so we can drop lower. After the pump or before the pump, we can't know. We can't know, but we mark the zones, mark the zone of interest, mark the zone of distribution. That's it. Now it's not a great time for accumulation. Money power, guys. Take a look. We at the top, almost at the top, without any money inflow. Nothing special. Trade on. No data on 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame. No data, 15 minutes time frame. Buy, bounce, recommendation close position drop, recommendation close position drop. Yes, technically we just form like, like triangle. A lot of people now can see this is like a triangle, right? So this one and this one. So technically, yes, it can be the upside triangle, like a flag, and we can see something like this one and go higher. The size of this flag will be the new all-time high, around 52 cents. After that, we can go down. So just in case, guys, it's a 15-minute time frame candles, right? So it's not a big deal. If you scalp, if you use my customer cassette, you could get the 33% profit. With a trade on indicator, but guys, you can't, I remind you, you can't trade only within one single indicator. It's just a tool. It's not a magic, and you have to work in a complex. 15-minute time frame, guys, no data, 5-minute time frame here. Take profit line on Kernel. Now it's 41 cents 38, exit line 46.39, buy line 20 cents 89. Fundamental value of this token, we got a price and the value. Fundamental value of this token 15.52 cents. So guys, accumulate or not, it's only up to you. I skip this token, and probably I will skip it even if we drop to zone of interest. So guys, I hope you like this video. Go and check the vesting shadow for this token. I can't recommend you to check the fundamental and background of this token, because absolutely my take is fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. Fundamental of Ohm at 2 cents and fundamental of Mantra at $9 absolutely what the same. But everything can happen on the chart. If you would like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.